In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file in PowerPoint the right way. Whether you're creating a detailed presentation or just looking to add extra resources, attaching a file can be extremely useful. It could be a supporting document, a video, or any other file that adds value to your slides. Let's go through the process together. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer and navigating to the presentation where you'd like to attach the file. This can be an existing slideshow or a new one you're working on. Once your presentation is open, head to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where you can add all kinds of elements to your slides, images, charts, or objects. For this task, you'll be using the Object option. Click Object and a dialog box will appear. You'll see two choices, Create New and Create from File. Since you're attaching an existing file, select Create from File. Next, click Browse to open a File Explorer window. Find the file you want to attach. It could be a document, spreadsheet, PDF, or video. Once you've located it, click Open. If you want your slide to stay neat and uncluttered, check the box labeled Display as Icon. This replaces the full file view with a simple icon that can be double-clicked during your presentation to open the file. When everything looks good, click OK to insert the file. You'll now see the file icon appear on your slide, ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file to your PowerPoint presentation. This simple feature helps you present extra information effectively while keeping your slides organized and professional. You can repeat the same process anytime you need to attach more files, making your presentations more interactive and informative.